Guys, it's Kirst
and Story.
Today we're just going to be messing out with sound effects.
So, explosion.
Explosion.
And then I'm gonna kill her. Beautiful.
Yes, beautiful.
Okay, what else can we do?
Let's do some
There's a bunch of different
punching.
Okay. That actually hurt.
It did. I'm sorry. Sorry. Are you okay?
I'm gonna put some sad music right there. Ow, that hurt. That hurt actually. It doesn't show anything, but he hit the rock.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, I hit this there. Oh my gosh. Alright. Wait, what else can we do?
We got flowers.
Yeah, beautiful flowers. He's gonna be messing around.
Yeah.
Earthquake.
Earthquake.
Oh, look at that. There's a bruise.
Oh, jeez. Some sad music.
There's a bruise right there. You see that? Yeah. Red. Ouch. Flowers. Beautiful flowers. Okay, what else can we do?
Okay. Let's do.
I can say.
Let's do owls.
Wait, I'm gonna punch you.
Okay, since I punched
fart.
you.
I'm gonna fart.
Wait, fart. And then I'm going to kick her. Are you okay?
Not again.
Are you okay?
Well, see you
Wait,
guys.
kick and punch me.
Okay, kick me.
Punch me. I mean, kick me. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.